Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and enter menu. Go to Settings, Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Tap Next, More, Agree, and Next. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled, and now simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be cloudy, with a high of 59 and a low of 45.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.